Mattingly Junk Hauling is here cleaning out the old house. They have 2 dumpsters in a trailer. Needless to say, there's quite a bit of junk to be removed. See, this garage had been turned into an apartment and somebody was living here, but they was living pretty rough. It still has dirt floors. They just have carpet linoleum down on the dirt floor. But they're tearing out the old kitchen cabinets. They're gonna strip off the old paneling and drywall, clean out what I think is the bathroom, but you can't really tell. Mattingly Junk Removal has finished the job. It's amazing that you can take a house to the studs and it looks better. If you're in the area, the Bullitt County, Mount Washington, Taylorsville, and you need somebody to haul junk, I highly recommend them. Man, them guys are good workers.